Now to remove the left speaker, you will see that there is also just one Torx 8 screw holding the left speaker in. Remove that screw as well. Then simply just lift up on the speaker to remove it. Now you can remove the fans by simply just lifting up on them as well. Now to remove the optical drive. There are two Torx 8 screws on both sides. Remove these screws. Now you can remove the black tape that is holding the optical drive cable down, and simply lift up on the cable to remove it. Do not forget about the temperature sensor cable for the optical drive. Remove that as well. Then you will find a total of 4 screws, 2 on each side of the optical drive. These are Torx 8 screws as well. Remove these to take the bracket off the optical drive. You will also see that the tape is holding the optical drive in place. Simply remove the tape to take the optical drive out. Now you can remove the bracket that is on the optical drive. The tape also holds the optical drive and the optical drive's bracket together. You can remove that as well. Now to remove the power supply, you will see that there are 4 Torx 8 screws on every corner of the power supply. Remove these. Be careful when lifting because you do not want to get shocked. Some of the transistors may still have electricity in them, so be extremely cautious. Remove all of the cables that are connecting to the power supply. Again, be careful. Now to remove the inverter board. There are 2 Torx 8 screws on both sides of the cover. Remove this aluminum cover. Once you remove the cover, you can simply unplug the inverter board. Now to remove the hard drive. It's quite simple. Just press on the black clip at the top and pull. The hard drive will then slide out of its rubber mounts. Now you'll need to unplug the 2 cables that are connecting to the hard drive.